Hello everyone. In this video, we will transfer data from master sheet to multiple sheets based on a condition. For example, we have departments and we have different departments like electronic, garments and furnitures. We would like to separate data based on these departments. You can also separate if you want based on, for example, the year or name or whatever you want, okay, like product. And but in this video we will separate and transfer data from this master sheet to other sheet to multiple sheet. Okay, it means that we will transfer electronics data to one sheet, garments data to another sheet, and furniture data to another sheet. To different and separate sheets we will transfer the data automatically. So let's do it. First of all, we will convert this data to table. So to convert this to the table, press Ctrl T, click in your table and press Ctrl T. After pressing Ctrl T, yes, my table has header, and press OK. After converting this to the table, let's first of all remove the filter. After removing the filter, now let's move to the data tab. In the data tab, what we will do, we will press this from table / range. We will press this. It will open Power Query for us. Let's wait for it. So now in this data, what we will do, we have three departments, okay, for furniture, garments and electronic. So I will take two copy from this first one. So let's duplicate it and duplicate it again. So we have now three tables. Let's first of all rename the first one. This is electronic with us. Press enter, right click, rename it garments. Let's rename the third one furniture. Now let's filter the data. Come here to the electronic table. First of all, click that and come here to the departments and uncheck the first one and just check the electronic. Uncheck all others, just check the electronic and press OK. Let's move to garments. Again, filter it. We will check just the garment. Press OK. Let's move furniture. Filter, uncheck and just furniture. Press OK. So after doing all these things, now let's close it, this Power Query. So after closing it, now we will see we will have three tables, separate sheets. Okay, three separate sheets per garments, electronic and data. Look at this is related to the garments, electronic, and this is our data, furniture data, garments and electronic. So now, for example, whenever we add a new record, what will happen? So let's, for example, we would like to add Halim, and this is mouses, okay, mouses, and this is electronic, and quantity like 100, and what else, sales like 4000, year 2024. So after writing this electronic, okay, this new record should be there in the electronic. See, but right now we don't have. So let's move to data and come here to the refresh and refresh all. So after refreshing, we will see our new record here. See, look at, we have this new record, mouses 100, 4000, 2024 in electronic sheet. So it is how we can transfer data from master sheet to separate sheets without using any function in MS Excel. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.